Now look, I know that the past few years it feels like we've been handcuffed on what we can say about our products. And it's been frustrating for all of us. I'll give you an example, one of my favorites, Thieves' Lozenges. Woo! We all know how great Thieves is, we know what they've said. It basically says there's some lozenges with some oil in it, you put it in a bag. Now, come on. Wouldn't it be great to at least be able to say, look, this thing helps you control your coughs? Now you can.
Wow, that's good. That's awesome.
It's been approved by FDA as well. So welcome to the next level of science. Not only is this product met the standards of safety and efficacy for FDA, but it meets Young Living's very high standards of purity. This is a natural product, all plant-based, and it works. And not only can you say it controls coughs, but you can now say it soothes the sore throat.
Okay.
Pretty cool stuff.